Hi, it's Namee. This week I have school off, so I'm having a really slow week. I'm trying to slow down, not have any big plans, not have a perfect routine. Just a real week, no glam. It's gonna be a quiet week of figuring things out and also finding peace in small things. So welcome to my slow week. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna text my fiance and tell him good morning. Oh, I already did. I told him good morning. Yesterday I found a cat tower and I told him that I stole the cat tower from the garbage because someone threw out their cat tower and I found it. It's currently sanitizing right now. So I'm gonna tell him today I'm supposed to have therapy, but not this week because Thanksgiving. Next plan is work. Because I have some time before my shift at work, I'm thinking of getting ready first of all and then cleaning up a little bit. I have some clothes to put away and I also have some bags to put away because I was filming yesterday, so I have like a lot of stuff that I had brought to shoot. So I'm getting my camera fixed because my main camera I dropped and the screen doesn't work anymore. So I need to go get it fixed. I don't know where. I just searched on Google like a camera repair shop and hopefully they can take it in. Oh my god, I think they're closed. I'm so stupid. I forgot today's a holiday. It's Thanksgiving. Of course they're closed. But I'm working. Of course I'm working. That probably means the bank is closed too, because it's a national holiday. My slow week means everyone's slow week. Stinky! I'm gonna see if the bubble tea shop is open. If they are, I'm gonna grab a drink. Woohoo!
이거 뭘 적어야 돼, 이건? 적어 갖고 가는
Health
거야?
card number 주...
그럼 그 가는데 그 지도 거기도 당신 찍혀? 그 안내하는 거.
Okay. Figs. How many figs should I eat? Wanna say hi?
Hello, my name is Eddie. Let me introduce myself.
Oh,
I used to live in Canada
yeah,
for 6 months,
yeah,
and yeah, that's it. Thank you.
that's it. I came back here to the camera shop. Thankfully they're open today. Hi. How are you? Good, how are you? So, my camera, I dropped it and the screen is not turning on.
Yes, please. And no allergies, right?
No.
Comedy is the key word, like romantic comedy. Rom-com. Comedy is the key word.
Okay, let's do this orange guy next, so it doesn't get in the way.
I'm a point tester.
And then also
Start though.
Embroidered mouths. With me, if a king or a cardinal had done the prologue, he'd have had the right materials, and an intellectual would have shown nakedness, a bit of black material to reduce all that into the common. If they let me come out naked, I could have shown you something of my own, which would have told you without words. Something like, there's company to dinner, finishes business at table, all right, a common man, a 16th century butler, he's crossing right, and that's my proposition. During the last part of the speech, he did, Alice. Norfolk he does, Alice, not possible, Norfolk but often, Alice never, Norfolk well, damn my soul, takes wine, thank you, Thomas, more, to Margaret, no, Rich. The opinion of Aristotle is that myths are an exhalation of the more Alice, you can't ride with them, Alice God's body, Aristotle myself, not practically, great philosopher. Rich. The doctrines of Machiavelli have been largely mistaken, I think. Norfolk more than likely, Alice, more than likely, more, cuts in sharply, what's the time? Steward 11 o'clock. Willingly. What brings you to Hampton? Which I came with the Duke last night. Indicates Chaplace. The Spanish ambassador indicates Rich.